How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, before we start, I just wanted to wish all of you a very happy new year. With that being said, today I'll be showing you 10 new incredible applications for the month of January 2023. Guys, I will be giving away promo codes for 3 different applications, so stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 2000 likes on this one, so drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. So the first app on this list goes by the name called Goally. Goally is basically a goal tracker app that seamlessly integrates with your Google Calendar to achieve all your goals. Whether you want to read more books, learn a new language, or you really want to start workout on a regular basis, then all you have to do is just select a goal, set the time and choose how often you would like to achieve it. Once done, the app sets these goals in the Google Calendar so you can easily follow up and achieve all your goals. I know there are plenty habit tracker applications available on the Play Store, but this one not only integrates directly to your Google Calendar, it also uses a smart algorithm that helps you to schedule goals in the background just at the right time. Even though the app is completely free to download, I do have 20 promo codes which unlocks the Pro version. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and join our Telegram channel. I will be sharing these codes on my Telegram group. Next up, we have got a brand new launcher called Flow Productivity Launcher. It's a simple and a minimalistic launcher made for people who wants to reduce distraction and focus on productivity. Once you set it as your default launcher, you get a clean looking home screen that shows some of your favorite applications, and you also get this date and time widget along with the actual screen time. On swiping right from the home screen, you get a set of essential widgets such as the Google Calendar that shows all your events, and then we have also got the to-do list. But what I really liked is the screen time widget that shows your screen time and keeps you informed about how much time you have wasted so you can focus more on productivity. Apart from this, it also comes with a focus mode which allows you to access only the home screen applications. All in all, if you're looking for a simple minimalistic launcher, then definitely try this one out. Links to all the applications will be listed down in the description below. At number 3, we have an app called WaterWatch. A lot of us spend so much of time searching through the web or scrolling Netflix just to find the right content to watch. This app takes your preferences and it asks you which is your favorite genre, and then it starts recommending the content that it thinks worth your time. All the recommendations that you see here are personalized for you, and if you like any movie, just tap on it and you can see the trailer, movie ratings, and it also shows where you can watch that movie. Apart from this, you can save movies to your favorite list, and there are a lot of filters to find movies and series based on your taste. All in all, it's a really good app and it definitely saves you from the hassle of searching good content through the web. If you love watching YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok videos, then Auto Scroll is a must-have application for you. What it does is, it helps you to automatically swipe to the next video after you finish watching the first one. All you have to do is, you just need to install the app and then allow all the required permissions. Once done, now when you're watching videos on your phone, you get this sidebar, and if you want to stop auto scrolling, you just need to tap on this power button. I think this can be super useful while you are eating or doing some other work. For the price of free, I will highly recommend you to give this one a try. Next up, we have got the wallpaper app called Wallstory. This is an app that I recently came across and it has quickly become one of my favorite when it comes to finding some amazing high quality wallpapers. The app has a unique collection of exclusive wallpapers, and all these wallpapers will definitely level up your home screen customization. The only downside of this application is that it is paid, but if you need some unique wallpapers, something that not a lot of people are using, then this is an app that you should consider downloading. It also comes with more than 30 different categories of wallpapers that you can choose from, and the UI feels extremely smooth as well. Guys, I'm giving away 25 promo codes for this amazing wallpaper app, so if you want to win one, all you have to do is like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. The next app on this list goes by the name called Jam Jars. This app basically brings the old saving method to your phone in a beautiful and a functional way. You can set up different jars with different names along with a custom color, and this way you can split up all your savings for different purposes. All of these jars will show up on a single screen with the amount saved so far mentioned on them, and you can quickly add or reduce the amount from them as well. I also like the UI of this app. It looks simple and clean with some beautiful animations. All in all, it's a very useful app that helps you to take control of your funds, organize your savings and track your financial goals. The next app is actually a widget pack called Autumn KWGT. This is where today's widget is from. I know I would get a lot of questions asking about my home screen, so I thought why not go ahead and feature it in today's video. This pack comes with more than 50 beautifully designed handcrafted widgets, and if you combine them with a perfect wallpaper, then it will definitely make your home screen stand out. The app also comes with 20 exclusive wallpapers, so you don't have to go wallpaper hunting. Well, this widget pack is not free, it is paid, but I do have 25 promo codes to give away. To win one, just make sure to like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. Next up, we have an app called Freequa. This is a super simple app which helps you to place a widget that shows all your most used applications. Based on your app usage data, it provides a list of apps that you use quite often, and it keeps updating the widget in real time. You just need to go to the widget section and select Freequa from the list. Now it shows all your frequently used applications directly onto your home screen. The app also allows you to customize the background color, change the layout, apply different icon packs and do a lot more. The next app on this list is called VoiceLiner, which lets you to quickly create a note, task or a list by simply speaking into your phone. Whatever you say, it just converts that into a text. All you have to do is just hold on the record button and say whatever you want. It converts that into a text, and I think it's one of the easiest way to quickly note down things. The app also allows you to reorder the list. You can arrange them as per your requirement, and the best part is you can create outlines so you can organize your list in a simple way. Nowadays, most of the smartphones doesn't have the FM radio feature, and if you really want to have a solution for that, then there is an app called One Stop Radio which is completely free to download. This app comes with more than 200 plus countries, which means you can listen to your favorite station from anywhere, anytime by just using your Android device. In the app, you can find stations by different countries, genres and languages as well. The app comes with a beautiful looking UI, and I think it's one of the best app if you really want to explore and enjoy the world radio. Definitely check this one out. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some of the best applications that you must install on your Android phone. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite application, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.